This might look like a Windows desktop or a Linux desktop to you, right? But no, this isn't Windows or Linux. This is Pewter, a cloud-based operating system that runs directly in your browser. It gives you a desktop-like environment with apps, files, settings, and more, all without installing a traditional operating system on your computer. But what can you actually use Pewter for? You can use it as a personal cloud computer to access your files and applications from almost anywhere. You can also use it to build and host websites and web applications, manage projects and files, and even work with AI tools and models through its built-in AI capabilities. So instead of thinking of Pewter as just another desktop interface, think of it as a cloud computer that you can access from your browser without needing to install everything locally. In this video, I will show you how to install Pewter from scratch. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe it and press bell icon to stay updated. Well, let's get started. How to install Pewter. Click the GitHub link in my description to visit main page of Pewter. On this page you can read everything you need to know about it. To install Pewter locally you only need Node.js, Git for Windows, VisualStudio, C++. I have made a playlist you can watch and install these dependencies. Once you're ready, their installation instructions on main page from their copy git clone code. Now go to drive or folder you want to have this installed in and type cmd in folder path. A new command prompt window will open. Paste git clone code to clone Pewter. Type cd space and go to clone folder, copy its path and paste in command window. Now type code npm install and let it install. Once npm install code done, go to main folder and type PowerShell in folder path. Paste this code here, I will put it in my description. Now you can close PowerShell window. Now in command window type npm start code. Click allow. Choose browser you want to launch Pewter in. To avoid running codes again after closing, go to main folder of Pewter and create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. After closing with double click, you can launch Pewter anytime. And that's it for this Pewter installation video. I hope this guide helped you install Pewter and get it running on your system. If you found the video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.